Sorry, I honestly had no idea that I was going to go more than 15 minutes on this. I didn't think it would quite take so long. But we're almost done. Wrapping up here, this will be part two, looking at citation, right? So here we are with our article that we were looking at a minute ago. We found this on Academic Search Complete, looking up discrimination in the workplace. All right, we narrowed it down to about 800 searches or a possible piece of evidence we could use. And what we're going to do at this point is say we've read our article, we like our article, we want to figure out how to cite this article, which for whatever reason that doesn't seem to be working right now. There we go. Sorry, just a issue there with it being up to date or whatever. You just need to reload the page. All right, so our citation formats are here. We're just going to pick the one we want. APA, Chicago. For humanities, we're going to pick this one here. And that's our citation. I'm going to go ahead and put it in our sample works cited page. There we go. Obviously, when we do this, we're going to want it with a hanging indentation. So you're going to go up here, press indent, make sure that second or third lines hang out or are indented, and there you go. So at the beginning of our works cited page here, and that's basically what you need to know about it. If it has the citation feature, that's great. They're not always in the same place, but they're not always there, but sometimes they are. You know, like we said, another good source to use is Britannica. Let's see, we're looking up, say, an individual here. You're going to find that information on the top. You can send it, favorite it, print it, cite it, right? And in this case, choose from a scroll down menu. Also, MLA is good. We want all that information there. So I'm going to take that, not for the same paper. I'm not sure that that would necessarily work, but I'm going to take that. But it copied it with a with a bullet point. That's weird because we don't need that. So we're going to take that off. And here's another troubleshooting issue you might come into. So I'm here, I need a line, but it's underlined, right? That's easy. Take the underline off, indent, you find it creates a new line, which also has to be indented. That's the hanging indentation, right? Problem solved, easily fixed. And we're going to finish this thing off by giving you one extra tidbit about where to look. But first, let's review what we're focusing on today. 3 ways to make your researching easier. First, you want to read the abstract, right? Second, you want to read the first few paragraphs. 3, narrow down your search, right? Using the search tools. All right, so we'll finish off today by showing you one of the best and easiest ways to speed up your research, and that is by looking at opposing viewpoints. It is this librarian recommended terrific combination of material. So we're going to look up this fairly new idea, which is this idea of universal basic income, and we're going to do this mainly because it is a new idea. We're going to see that there is information, but if you compare this to something like a more common topic, you're going to find a lot more information here. But what's great about this database is that it has here collected for us 3 academic journals, 7 images, 30 magazine articles, a video, a page of statistics, 6 audio, some websites, and 2 infographics, and over 115 news articles on the topic. And usually it would be more, we've picked a very new topic, so there's not a whole lot of information here, right? But there's enough to certainly get started on, and enough to build a research paper around. So we could click on any one of these, or if you want the whole thing, just go ahead and click there. Here we're only going to look at 3. These are all right here, so I'm not going to click there. Let's say this one is 7, right? So what we're going to do to find all these 7 is go ahead and click on it, and then there you go. Right, so there are a number of ways that you can use this page. You can say, oh, I can just click here, which is going to essentially just take you there. Or you can scroll down, which is what I like to do, and just kind of see what all is in there. Right? You got all your different stuff. And say you want to access these 115 different news articles, just go ahead and click on them right there. So say I found one. Pandemic strengthens case for universal basic income. And from here I can save it to my Google Drive, send it to my Microsoft OneDrive. I can email it to myself, download it, print it. If I want the citation information, I'm going to go up here. Same as if I want to, also if I want to download it. Looks like there's another email function there as well. But looks like we've got APA, Chicago, right? There's some different citation styles that you can use there. I'll just go ahead and gonna copy and paste that one over. And like with the other ones there, this is right. We just need to add the hanging indentation, and then it will be perfect. And note, all your works cited entries do end with a period. All right, so that takes us through today. I hope that you learned some ways to make researching easier for you, and ways to save time in the research process. And remember, those 3 easy steps again are, read your abstract, read the first 3 to 4 paragraphs, and narrow down your search. Thank you.